Welcome back to another day of daily driven Jeeps. So in the last video you guys would see that we hit out the interior, that we cleaned it out, and I did put the carpet back already. It is looking almost brand new. It's so nice. So in today's video we will be concentrating on this bad boy's engine. If you don't know what it is, it's already shown in the description. And before we get started, I would like to remind you guys, because I keep on forgetting, that for every 100 subscribers you will be entered into winning your own VVTi merch, a box full of merch. So just hit the subscribe button. Check this out, guys. I put the carpet back in and just look at how nice that came out. I'm really happy with how clean it came out. So you guys probably wondering what engine did I buy for this Jeep now. So I had a few comments in the second video or third video, and everybody was saying repair the engine, repair the 3.7 V6. It wasn't feasible. That engine is done for. It's not even worth trying to. It's probably good for a coffee table. So I'd already bought the engine. Bought this engine from a friend of mine who had it on his farm, lying there for 2 years. They wanted to do a conversion as well, and he never got around to it. So it's been lying there. I got it for a pretty good, decent price. I don't know if it starts. I don't know anything about this engine, to be honest. I've got no history on it at all, but it does turn over, and I've looked it through a little bit behind the scenes. So I'm quite happy, and I think this is going to be a great video for this Jeep, and I think really this is going to be a fun project for me and for you guys to see. Before we get started, I'll show you the engine that I've got. A lot of people are keeping their secrets on how they do this engine swap into this Jeep and general other vehicles as well, because this is a common engine to do engine swap with, and it's very reliable. I've done a lot of research on these engines, and I'm surprised on how strong they are really. So for me, what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to show you everything, and I will share you all my technical drawings. I will share all the information you need to do this conversion to this Jeep, just because while I want to keep it for myself, I would like to share it with all you guys. So if you really want any information this far that I've got, just hit the comment below, or our website should be running soon, probably in a few weeks, and then you can just send us a message right there and we'll pop in our inbox. So guys, enjoy this video and comment below what you think of this engine. So before I show you this engine, I really first need to take off these two front hubs on this Jeep, because this one still got a CV in it, and I want to remove that because we're not going to utilize it anyways, and obviously those discs need to be replaced. So I just want to take this off first, just to give you a little bit of a glimpse. There's the engine. It's in the garage waiting for its reveal. So let's quickly take off all these hubs and then I can show you this engine. on this side, I did notice, and I'm going to see if I can get this in, that this brake piston also looks pitted and broken. So comment below if this is a Jeep thing, because I've never experienced this, and it's weird that it would be on both sides at the same time. So the same goes for this side. New upper ball joint needed, and probably new calipers. And here's the whole hub with the CV and the disc. So I'll get that sorted out, taken apart. Shouldn't be too hard. And this is what triggers me. Somebody used a magic bolt on the imperial bolt hold, and I don't know if there's any damage now. I will refret it just in case, and I will go and buy a few of these bolts. I think I do actually have. So let's do this right the first time and not like belugas. Okay guys, so this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Behind this camera that you can't see is the new beast for this Jeep. So without further ado, let's check it out. So there you guys, there we've got it. We've got ourselves a Lexus 1UZ V8. This is a non-VVTi motor. It is a Gen 2 motor, and I've got no history on this at all. So first off the bat, you can tell it's very dirty. So it's got a 4-speed automatic transmission. It's got its wiring harness, and it's plugged full of papers and stuff, so the rats and mice can get into it. From the front, I might need some of you guys' opinions. I know there's a lot of guys who've got a lot of knowledge on these motors. I've got none. So it's missing its hydro cooling fan. Will I be able to run this motor without it? Will I even need it if I go electric fan? It's got an alternator, and I want to put the Jeep's power steering pump on this side, but it looks like this little pipe might be in the way. So if you guys can comment below, what is this little pipe for? Because I've got no idea. I suspect these two are for the transmission cooling, and I suspect this could be for this hydro pump or whatever this thing is. For you guys who've been wondering, I've also got the ECU. I will open it up and see if there is maybe any water damage inside of this. Hopefully not. I did source a MAF sensor as well. It's lying on the right hand side of me now, and then the igniters are here. The wiring has already been spliced, so this should theoretically already start up, because somebody took the time to cut these wires, and I'll just make it neat because it does look very bad. So in general, I think this motor will fit. It's been done before, so somebody has made it work. Then I want to build a little thing for this motor so I can move it around easily, because I don't just have a Jeep project. I want to show you guys this, just so everybody knows. I've also been into minis before, and I've got this little speedster that I'm building. It's been standing for a while now. So this is basically a mini that's the roof is being cut off, and it's getting a heck of a motor. Not a Lexus, because it won't fit. It's almost just as big as a mini. So if you guys would like to see me work on this, just comment down below. Let me know if you'd like me to work on this mini a little bit in the videos. I know this is just a Jeep YouTube channel, but I'm open for suggestions. So these are the engine mounts that bolts onto this Lexus motor. Let me see if I can get it in there. It's quite difficult to see. That will bolt into this Lexus motor. And then going with this, I've got these Ford V6 engine mountings. so it is also adjustable a little bit. So if you guys would like to have these drawings, comment down below, I'll send it to you. I've got no issues to share this with you guys because you are awesome. So here's a little time lapse of when it was made.
So I did cut these little tubes now, just for transmission support, so I'm just going to weld them in, and then the stand should be done. Okay guys, so here it is. Here my stand is all done. So what this enables me to do is move it around, very easy to store it, and I can just drag it out and start working on it whenever I want to. And also the other idea was so we can bench start this motor before I put it into the Jeep, just so if there is something not wrong I can catch it beforehand without trying to take the motor out 20 times. So that's pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if there are any Lexus experts out there, which I'm sure there's plenty of, please talk to me, tell me what to look out for, what to do. I would appreciate everybody's advice on this. Also, if you do like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and also the like button if you do like this type of content. I'm also open to advice if you guys would like to see something else, if you'd like to see less of this and more of that. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. I did run out of time. I wish I could have done more, maybe gone over this motor. So thank you all for watching, and remember to subscribe to stand your chance to win DDJ merch. Hope you guys have an awesome day, stay safe, cheers.